This video is featuring Maybelline Sensational Powder Matte Lipsticks, all 12 shades swatched as usual. What I feel about the formula, how long does it last, are all the shades evenly formulated? I will share with you all of these details right away. Just stay tuned. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you to my channel Joy Geeks. If you're new here, I create beauty and wellness content. If you haven't subscribed already, it doesn't cost you a penny, just it'll take you 1 second. Subscribe, check the notification bell button and hit it so you don't miss a future post. I am so thrilled to be back here. I had a little break, unforeseen, overextended break that I didn't foresee, and thank you so much for all of you. So many of you asked me if I was well, where I was missing, where my videos were. It was really sweet and it really did help to push me back into action. A lot of things were happening in May. Thankfully, it was not my health majorly. A certain section of it, yes, my allergy attacks did bring me down, but there were too many other things happening, so it was an unforeseen kind of a forced break. There were some technical issues I had. Let's leave it at that. I'm glad to be back now with you folks. I'm starting this off with Maybelline lipstick swatch of all the shades. Maybelline Sensational Powder Matte Lipsticks. I think I'm gonna pick somebody and send them a Nykaa voucher. I think it's a time when I would like to just help each other, just pep you a bit in the smallest way that I can. For the review, let me just tell you that this lipstick is, I feel, a very, very underrated lipstick because I haven't heard too many people talk about it. I genuinely fell in love with it the minute I tried it. So I don't know why, for some reason, some of the shades are in this kind of a outer packaging and some of them are in this reddish tone. I'm not sure what the difference is, but anyway, I've got all 6 of them are in this and 6 of them are in this, but they're all Maybelline Sensational Powder Matte Lipsticks. For a matte lipstick, it was very makhan like swipe, very well pigmented. It stayed a good time. It is pretty matte and long staying, I would say, for a bullet lipstick. I mean, it stays 4 hours easily, unless of course you've eaten, it'll come off. But for a bullet lipstick in this budget, a full size product, I think it's a very good deal. Of course it transfers, but it's a pretty dark shade that I'm wearing, and I would say the transfer is quite minimal, which is a plus. It made my lips very comfortable. It was not drying. और क्या चाहिए मुझे lipstick? I loved all of these things in this lipstick, which is why I'm bringing all the 12 shades to you. Range has quite a few nudes, browns, reds, like you see. I will comment on the shade range after I finish the entire swatch. And I have not worn makeup for a specific reason, so that you can see the lipstick as is. There is nothing, no concealer, no compact. Yeah, there is actually very, very little dab of this compact. So please don't write, are you feeling okay? Are you feeling sick? I'm feeling perfectly fine and happy and I'm not unwell. It's not about looking perfect when you want to be on camera. I am sure you feel, that you feel a certain vibe of the energy I have when I'm on camera. Of course, when you're used to seeing me in a fully, made up face always, you may feel a bit off initially. But being on camera is really a lot more than just looking good. It's how you can really connect with the person on the other side, and I'm very happy that I have got a lot of opportunities to kind of ace that and really refine that for myself. And I'm very happy to, if you would like to also practice it, I have a downloadable PDF in the description box that you could have a look at, and I hope that helps you. It's just my attempt to help you create your presence on camera, make videos. Yeah? All right. So toasted brown is this beautiful caramelly brown with a little tint of orange in it that I really loved, something that even my mom loved that. My mom, who never wears lipstick and is always shy from that, actually loved this lipstick. And if you saw that video where I, put makeup on 60 plus, I used this lipstick and made her so comfortable because it was very natural looking, not a bright pink, bright red, none of that, and not very glossy as well. This is a shade called Touch of Nude, a beautiful, very, very light salmon baby pink. Not salmon, just baby Barbie pink. I love how it feels on the lips when we apply this. And for those who love these earrings, this is from Beatnik. You will get a wonderful discount. I will add the details on the screen and the link will be in the description box. Alright, you can check that out. I love to make these kind of Indo Western looks. Such a wonderful shade, almond pink. It has tinge of mauve in it, but it's a beautiful pink. I love it. All the links of all these products will be in the description box, so check that out. Make me blush. This is salmon pink, looks like. Let's wear it and see. Ooh. But it's not going to work for my skin tone. Of course, it doesn't work for my skin tone like I thought. But I think it's a very pretty shade and will work wonderfully for the lighter skin tones. The ones who want a different shade, who want a nude which has a grey tone to it, will love this shade. And of course, this looks good for me. It will look more grey for fairer girls. I think this would still work for darker folks as well. Yeah, I will continue with the swatches, but if you haven't subscribed already, please take a minute, go subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything, and hitting on the notification bell will make sure that you are updated on the latest posts of mine. Okay, I'll continue. This is a shade called Walnut. So if you have any lip balm before it, please take it off so that you actually get the matte look on it. This is going to make your teeth look yellow. See? It is a dark brown with cool toned dark brown is what I'd call it. And of course, it will work across skin tones. For very fair skin girls, it may tend to look almost blackish. But for darker skin girls, you have a perfect nude here. Like, who are at least 5 shades darker than me, this would be your perfect nude. I finished 6 of these. And now I will move to these red ones, which are all like reds, maroons, burgundies, all those kind of shades. So this is Get Ready. That's what that is what the shade says. Oh, looks like a bright, bright orange toned red to me. You can see how it's a one swipe, and I like this. If you want it bright red, this is it. This is a little too bright for me, although I like it, but I like deep reds. Let's see what's coming up in this range. I love this. This is a shade called Cherry Chic, and it's this lovely pinkish red that will definitely brighten up your face. This is a shade called Up to Date. This is Up to Date, a bright pink, which is very, very happy and very girlish. If you like these kind of bright pinks, you're going to love this. Of course, I love this. Let's see what happens with the transfer proof in this. There's nothing here. See, still very little for such a dark shade, and you saw how much I chapedoed on my lip. I think it's very well performing when it comes to transfer proof. This is called Honey Cherry. Beautiful shade. I love my greys. My parents are reacting to my grey, saying, "Oh my God, you got grey hair," because it means that they have grown older. How funny is that? I was wondering, I'm so happy about my grey hair. bothering you. That's when they said, no, if you got grey hair means we've really grown old. So, like I said, the links of these lipsticks will be in the description box. Please do check them out. All the other brands that I have partnership with, not partner, yeah, affiliate partnership with, or they've given us codes to give you some discount. All of that is in the description box, so do check that out. Okay, now I think Honey Cherry has a strong tint that it leaves behind. Can you see? I have removed it and you can still see it is so pink. Which means that if you don't like very heavy tints left behind, you may want to rethink about this shade. Rosewood Red. Ooh, it's a deep, deep maroon burgundy. Love it. It's a deep maroon. I think that the pigmentation is really good. I really like the shade. Look, it's become patchy. So you have to just wait for it to set a bit. In fact, I have never been of the opinion of wearing lipstick and going like that, unless you just want a tint. Oh, no, I think, yeah, just stay. This is a shade called Plum Perfection. I would say yes, it's a lovely shade. Now that I have swatched all the shades, I can tell you that not even a single shade was patchy. There was only that really light color which like make me blush. If you don't blend it well enough, it may look a bit uneven. But other than that, I think all the shades were really pigmented, makhan-like swipe. Just made it so comfortable on my lips, and yeah, overall I really like this ring. Well, the finish I would say is pretty close to being matte, but it's surely not powder matte. You can see a little bit of sheen on it. Let's call it comfort matte. I think that is what it is instead of powder matte. Yeah, but I still love the formula. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like button and hit the subscribe button if I haven't mentioned already. I want to know what your favorite shades are, so please leave that in the description, in the comment section. Yeah, so and do let me know which are the other videos you want me to make. Okay, take care. Bye.